Hey family, it's King Kurus here. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a remarkable woman who burned bright and fierce in her short life, Olive Morris. Born in Jamaica in 1952 and moving to London as a child, Olive Morris became one of the most important yet often overlooked figures in Black British civil rights history. Olive's activism began early. At just 17, she intervened when she saw police officers assaulting a Nigerian diplomat after mistaking him for a vagrant. The officers then turned on Olive, but this incident only fueled her determination to fight injustice. Olive was a founding member of the Brixton Black Women's Group and the Organiser of Women of African and Asian Descent. These groups were pivotal in addressing issues faced by Black women, which were often overlooked by both the civil rights and the feminist movements of the time. But Olive's activism wasn't limited to gender and race. She was involved in squatters' rights movements, believing that housing was a fundamental right. She helped establish squats that served as community centres, nurseries, and bookshops. Olive was also an internationalist. She travelled to China to learn about their revolution and was involved in anti-apartheid activism. She understood that the struggle for Black rights was a global one. Tragically, Olive's life was cut short. She died of cancer in 1979, aged just 27. But in those few years, she left an indelible mark on British activism. Today, Olive is remembered in Brixton with a mural and a community building named after her. Her image is even featured on the local currency, the Brixton pound. Olive Morris's legacy teaches us about the power of intersectional activism. She showed us that fighting for justice means addressing all forms of oppression, not just those that affect us personally. Thank you for allowing me to dive deeper into these crucial yet overlooked stories. Next week, I'll be sharing snippets of Black British history on TikTok, and your support over there would really help to ensure that these important narratives reach a wider audience. Till then, please stay blessed and remember, Black history is world history.